Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're exploring smart home hubs and how they can improve your daily automation. Let's get started. First, what is a smart home hub? Think of it as the central nervous system for your smart home devices. It connects all your smart gadgets, lights, thermostat, door locks, etc., letting them communicate and work together. Why is a hub necessary? Couldn't you control each device individually? Yes, but a hub offers advantages. It simplifies control using a single interface, saving time. It also enables automation, letting your home respond automatically to your needs. For example, lights can turn on at sunset. Also, hubs support communication protocols like Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and Z-Wave. This compatibility means you can integrate various devices, even from different brands. Popular smart home hubs include the Amazon Echo, affordable and integrating well with many devices, plus voice control via Alexa. Another is the Google Nest Hub, which offers good device compatibility and Google Assistant voice control. Then, there's the Samsung SmartThings Hub, known for its broad compatibility and advanced automation. Lastly, Apple HomeKit focuses on ease of use and integrates well with the Apple ecosystem. Features to consider when choosing a hub: device compatibility, including Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and Z-Wave support. Voice control is a must-have. Consider the automation capabilities, custom routines, and pre-built options. Privacy and security are important. Ensure the hub has robust security features. Finally, the user interface should be intuitive. The easier to use, the better. How can a smart home hub improve your daily life? Examples: waking up, and your smart hub automatically turns on lights and starts coffee. During the day, it can adjust your thermostat to save energy. In the evening, it can dim the lights and play music. You can get instant notifications, such as alerts if a door or window is open. Setting up a smart home hub is usually straightforward. Connect the hub to your home network, then add your smart devices. Most hubs have apps to guide you. Once connected, create automation routines and schedules. Experiment with settings to find what works for you. In conclusion, a smart home hub is a valuable addition to any home. From simplifying device control to enabling advanced automation, it can enhance your living experience. Consider your needs to find the right hub. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home automation, focusing on a crucial element: the smart home hub. What is a smart home hub? Consider it the central nervous system for your smart devices. The brain connecting and controlling everything: lights, thermostats, door locks, and security cameras. Why do you need one? While some devices connect directly to Wi-Fi, a hub offers key advantages. It streamlines device communication instead of individual connections. Devices talk to the hub, improving reliability and reducing Wi-Fi congestion. Second, a hub enables advanced automation. Create routines based on time, sensors, or triggers. For example, turn on your porch light at sunset, lock doors at bedtime, and adjust the thermostat automatically. Third, a hub supports multiple smart home protocols. This means wider device compatibility, even with different communication standards like Zigbee or Z-Wave. Essential for a truly integrated smart home. Let's consider some hubs. The Amazon Echo with a built-in hub is a solid choice, especially if you're in the Amazon ecosystem. It offers voice control through Alexa, integrates with Amazon services, and supports various devices. The Samsung SmartThings Hub is another strong contender. It's known for its features, extensive device compatibility, and powerful automation. SmartThings suits users who want granular control. Then there is Apple HomePod. If you're an Apple user, HomeKit is great. It's easy to use, secure, and integrates seamlessly with Apple products. However, HomeKit's device compatibility is more limited compared to options like SmartThings. When choosing, consider your needs and preferences. Think about your existing or planned smart home devices. Check the hub's supported protocols. Evaluate its user interface, automation features, and voice control. Also, consider privacy and security, ensuring strong encryption to protect your data. Finally, the best hub is the one that works best for you. Setting up a hub is usually straightforward. Download the manufacturer's app, create an account, and follow instructions to connect to Wi-Fi. Then, add your devices. The process is generally user-friendly. Once connected, start creating automations. Experiment with different settings to find what works best. Smart home automation can significantly improve your daily life. It can save time and energy, enhance comfort and convenience, and provide added security. Thanks for watching.